Because strings are comparable, we can sort them by writing one line of code. If I create an array list of strings and add a whole bunch of things not in any order, and then I want to print them out in alphabetical order, I can add the line collections.sort strings. Collections is a class a little bit like arrays that has some useful utility methods. If I compile and run this code, it'll print out all of the animals that I added to the list, but from A to W. We might want to be able to sort countries like this too. Let's say countries are naturally ordered by their areas. Let's implement the compare_to method for countries. I want to be able to make an array of countries like this, and then use the sort method in the arrays class to sort all of the countries in the array. So that this will work, let's implement the comparable method for countries. We'll need to make the country measurable and also comparable. Now the method should be public and return an int. It's called compared_to, and it takes an object, other object. Now if we want to compare other object to this object, the first thing we'll need to do is check whether other object actually has a name and an area. If other object is not a country, then it doesn't really make sense to compare it to this country. If you keep studying Java, you'll figure out how to avoid this cast using generics. For now though, let's focus on the compare_to method. For now, fill in the code so that compare_to works as I described before for countries. Return a negative number if this country is smaller than other, positive if this country is larger, 0 if the two countries are equal, and notice I implemented .equals for you, so you can use this. And if the countries are exactly the same size, you can break ties using the name. Can you fill in the rest for me?